right now, you may not know this, but you're in the middle of one of the greatest wealth transfers in human history. Right now, $84 trillion in assets will be passed from baby boomers to younger generations. And I know this in my own family. You know, my mother just passed; she was a boomer. My father is needing some help from us, and we had a lot of conversations about estate planning and stuff like that. And so right now, I think 53% of all wealthy families have trusts and wills and estate plans in place. But that means nearly half of all wealthy families don't have trusts and wills in place, which is really a scary, kind of crazy thing that you'd have people that have assets to leave behind and they're leaving it in the middle of chaos. That's how you lose a lot of money. The singer Prince, he didn't really have anything in place. So he ended up giving away about $100 million to different attorneys and administrators whose job it was just to sort through the wealth. I talked to an estate planning attorney once, and she admitted to me. She said, if people made proper plans for their death, we would be out of business. She said we fund our whole law firm from families that don't make plans. So if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Preparation is the key to success. And if you really want to protect all the hard work you've been working 30, 40, 50 years. Maybe you're a saver. Maybe you bought your house. Maybe you have some investments. You're investing in stocks. Don't throw it away. Just, go get something basic in place so that people have instructions in case you die tomorrow. Because, chances are, given that thousands of us come into class every morning and meet every single day, some of us are going to not make it to 2026. I mean, I hate saying it, but that's just a statistical reality. So make a plan, make a plan. So let's see, about of the 84 trillion that's being transferred, 72 trillion would go directly to heirs. The rest is going to be donated to charities and other causes. Boomers own half the wealth in America, so they control about 50% of U.S. household wealth, despite the fact that they're just 21% of the population. So, and this is due to a lot of tax benefits and tax laws where wealthy people kind of get protected. Even so far, in the Trump presidency, the wealth of the bottom 10% has gone down. The wealth of the top 10% has gone up. That's not a surprise. And so, what I would encourage you to do is to do what the top 10% are doing, which is stock market investing. The stock market is the number one wealth builder in America. So if you miss the stock market and don't participate, then you're pretty much saying, I don't want any wealth. Millennials will inherit about 70 trillion. Black families are missing out. Only 1 in 3 Black families have an estate plan. So that's terrible.